I'm Daniella. I'm doing level 3 OCR engineering. I always find it interesting on how things work or how to build stuff, and I thought engineering was like really interesting. So like, okay, I'm gonna try that. You find stuff when like in science high school you don't really get it stuff, but here they kind of explain you how things work, and you just have to make everything make sense. So it's like, yeah, it's really fun. There's a lot of them like Savannah and Sarah, and I watched this movie called Hidden Figure, and it's so inspiring. I absolutely love the movie. Don't be afraid, you know, you can do whatever you want. There's so many doors open. Like, I am deaf, I have hearing aids, and I always thought like there's so much stuff that I can't do it, but to be fair, there's so much stuff you can do it. You might not be able to do some stuff if you have disabilities, but there's other stuff you can always do, so just try it out, basically. I want so much down, like, I always tell my parents, like, oh, it's so fun, and yeah, I was definitely like,